Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus. For a combo of good power and versatility, plus great value, this is the one. It boasts a 900-watt motor, so it blended up smoothies with fresh and frozen fruit with ease, and crushed ice without a hitch, and all without any odor, too. It manages to do all that with a relatively small footprint. The base is only 7 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. Adding to the value part, the Ninja comes with 3 20-ounce cups, with 2 ready-to-drink lids and 1 storage lid, so everyone gets a smoothie to go. The cups are tall and narrow, so they'll fit in a car's cup holder. We didn't love making nut butter in this one. The result was less evenly ground than some other models, and scraping it out of those long, narrow cups was a hassle. But since this isn't the personal blender's primary function, this is still a great value. The cups, lids and blade assembly are all top-rack dishwasher safe. If you are going to wash by hand, you may need a brush if you have larger hands, as getting all the way into those tall, narrow cups might be a challenge. Capacity: 20 ounces. Power: 900 watts. Weight: 1.3 pounds. Dimensions: 4.7 inches by 4.7 inches by 13.8 inches. Number 2. Breville 3X Bluicer Blender and Juicer. This blender/juicer combo may be on the pricier side, but it more than makes up for that in versatility and ease. The ingenious design of this appliance allows you to blend, juice, or both, without any added or unnecessary parts. The jug that captures juice during juicing has a built-in blender base, allowing you to place it right on the same base and go straight from juicing to blending. We recommend this Bluicer for anyone new to the world of juicing and those not yet committed to the juicing lifestyle. Did we mention it arrives fully assembled? No complicated setup will stand between you and a delicious glass of fresh-pressed juice. Capacity: 50 ounces. Power: 1000 watts. Weight: 19.2 pounds. Dimensions: 14.1 inches by 15.7 inches by 17.7 inches. Number 3. Vitamix Explorian. With a simple interface and 10 variable speeds, the Vitamix Explorian E310 makes super smooth smoothies, no matter what the ingredients. Plus, you can opt for a model that comes with 2 smoothie cups for extra ease of use. The 48-ounce container is smaller than some other Vitamix models, but it's still large enough for most jobs, and the squattier design means it's likely to fit under your kitchen cabinets. The included tamper is dishwasher safe, as is the lid. In short, it has all the classic Vitamix qualities, with a more convenient design and added versatility. What's not to love? Capacity: 48 ounces. Power: 1400 watts. Weight: 11.5 pounds. Dimensions: 11 inches by 8 inches by 17 inches. Number 4. Ninja Compact Kitchen System with AutoIQ. Ninja's system is centered around a multi-purpose base. The food processor, blender and smoothie container fit on the base, which contains functions for all the machines. When you secure each container to the base in AutoIQ systems, the corresponding functions will appear on the interface, so you won't be able to make the mistake of choosing a function that's incorrect for the container you're using. This makes it easier to know which cooking tasks to perform in which container. We found this system to be ideal for whipping up quick pestos, easy mayo and smoothies on the go. It's great for someone with limited space, but who loves to cook and needs the functionality of a blender and food processor. Capacity: 72 ounces, blender pitcher, 40 ounces, processor bowl, and 18 ounces, single-serve cup. Power: 1200 watts. Weight: 11.1 pounds. Dimensions: 7.5 inches by 8.25 inches by 17.25 inches. Number 5. Beast Blender. With its unusual hourglass-shaped design, this blender is eye-catching right out of the box. But it isn't just good looks that won our favor, its powerful 1000-watt motor delivers. The Beast made quick work of smoothies with both fresh and frozen fruit, blended ice into slush with just a few pulses, and made a good batch of nut butter without breaking a sweat, and without any metallic blender smell, thanks to internal sensors that prevent overheating. If for some reason the blender won't start, color-coded lights indicate why, e.g., amber flashing lights mean the motor is overloaded, a flashing red light means the contents are too hot to safely blend. It comes with a storage lid and a drinking lid, the latter also has a drinking cap with an adjustable carry loop. One thing to note, the thick Tritan plastic 3-cup capacity cup is wider and squatter than most other models. The wide mouth makes adding ingredients easy, and it's also easier to remove thick items like nut butter from this type of cup. But this shape can be harder to grip for small hands, and the cup won't fit in most car cup holders. Also, this model is hand wash only, though the wide shape makes getting into the cup to clean it out pretty simple. Capacity: 33.8 ounces. Power: 1000 watts. Weight: 6.7 pounds. Dimensions: 4.92 inches by 4.92 inches by 15.75 inches.